Renova Homes and Renovations is the Bild Awards Multifamily Small Volume Builder of the Year. And right now I'm joined by President Justin. Hi, Justin.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing very good. Congratulations on the win. Now, this morning, we are actually in a show home. This is in Crimson Ridge, one of their newest developments. And you've really been a builder here in Calgary. The company has existed for over 30 years. This is a family-owned and operated business.
Yeah, Renova's been around for a little over 30 years, and we build multifamily homes, we do single-family homes, and we also do custom renovation.
And so you do it all. And in addition to this big award that you've won as the Multifamily Small Volume Builder of the Year, you've also won two more awards for specific projects, Best Exterior Kitchen as well as Best New Multifamily Home Design.
Yeah, we won for Best Multifamily Home Design, which is our River Point project out in Cochrane, actually, for bungalow villa homes. And we won Best Exterior Renovation for a home we did in an established neighborhood in Calgary where we revitalized a home from the 1940s.
That's really incredible. What would you say makes Renova Homes really stand out?
I think one of the big things is our design approach. Functionality, practicality are big things for us, and we put a lot of thought into all our designs, whether they're multifamily, single family, or custom renovations. We like to think about how people live in their spaces, and the specific target markets that we're hitting. How do those people live in those homes?
And it really shows, of course, you're winning awards year after year. So congratulations once again, Justin. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Now, if you're looking for more information on Renova Homes and Renovations, you can find it on their website, renovaluxury.com. But for a full list of this year's Bild Award winners, you can visit buildcr.com.